All right, got a Bobcat here. Simply going to show you the unit going into the container and then backing out. Whether you have forks on it and you're putting material in or whatever you might be doing, these ramps make it super easy. So I'm going to set the ramps accordingly and then go ahead and pull the machine in. Wedges, I think they hold up to 20,000 pounds each, so pretty much any type of equipment, forklift, plus the load that they're carrying, these types of ramps can be used. We happen to buy 4 separate ones for wider tired machines and things like that. But again, these are fantastic. They flush right up to the top of the container. They're very light and easy to move. I'll show you how we store them. Slip them, very light, very easy to move. We put them right inside the container, so when we need them, you just get them out and you use them. So lots of different types of applications for these. Hit the subscribe button below. We'll catch you guys next time.
Hey guys, if you're interested in the ramps we showcased in the video today, check out our description below for a link to these ramps along with a 10% off discount. Catch you later.